Pika 1.0 is now open to everyone on Christmas Day. This must be good news for people who are still on the waitlist. In the video, I will make a full review about Pika 1.0 and compare it with Runway Gen-2. Let's get started. Features. You can now access Pika 1.0 through their website. I will put the link in the description. Here you can see other people's creation and your own work. In the middle bottom is where you can type in the prompt. Here is button to upload image or video, which means it supports text, image, even video to video. And you can use text to better guide the generation. While Runway Gen-2 doesn't have video to video feature. What I'd recommend a workflow is using Midjourney or other apps to generate the images. Then use Pika Photo AI to upscale them to 8K plus quality in batch, with all details kept well. You can find the official link to access Pika Photo AI in the description if you are interested. Now you can use these super high-resolution images in Pika 1.0 to generate videos. Besides that, you can customize the aspect ratio and frame rate as you like. In the camera control, you can use the pan, tilt, rotate and zoom parameters to control the camera motion. The higher the strength, the faster the motion. There are also other settings like adding negative prompt, seed, consistency with the text to better guide the video generation. I use the prompt a flying car in space, beautiful particles around, science fiction style, cinematic to generate some videos. And these are what I get. Honestly, it's looking cool to me, very science fiction and fancy camera movement, but there are not many details. After generation, you can click on retry and it will generate another video based on the same prompt. And reprompt allows you to adjust the prompt again. You may also further edit the video, like using modify region to change a specific area, or expand canvas to a larger scale. Here are some examples when I use the modify region and expand canvas feature. To be honest, I think the editing feature does better than Runway Gen-2. But Pika 1.0 doesn't have features like the Gen-2 motion brush, and sometimes motion brush is very useful. What's more, you can use numbers to customize the camera motion in Runway Gen-2. While in Pika 1.0, you can't actually have so many parameters. If you click on the three dot next to the edit button, you can add length of the video by 4 seconds once a time, or upscale the video to 2K resolution. It's best that you put the upscale in the last step, because once you upscale it, you can't do any other changes. Runway also has upscale and extend length feature. Quality. Believe me, it's really not easy to generate a video perfectly as you imagine at this moment. It's still hard to control the AI video generation. Some weird but funny things happen often. It really takes time to generate a video that looks fine. You can tell from these examples, so you might need to experiment more with it to get satisfied video. Also, if you want to further upscale your video quality, you may try using Pika Video Enhancer to increase the video resolution while maintain the details. It helps you to upscale video to 4K high quality. Check out the link in the description if you are interested. Here are some video example I generated with Pika 1.0 and Runway Gen-2. Actually, I can't really tell which one is better for now. I mean, in some cases, Pika 1.0 performs better, while in some cases, Runway does a better job. I might prefer Pika 1.0 as it is totally free to everyone, while it charges in Runway. So what do you think? Please share your thoughts in the comment if you like. Alright, this is the share for today. If this video helps, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more AI tools and tips. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you next time.